You are welcome on my YouTube channel. Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be looking at trading accounts, how to calculate gross profit, how to prepare a trading account. Okay. Now, to prepare a trading account, your purpose is to know the gross profit or gross loss. And don't forget that in mathematics, when we say profit, okay, it is the excess of selling price over the cost price. Okay, it is the excess, it is selling price minus cost price. Okay, now in accounting, we use the word sales. Then this becomes cost of goods sold. Cost of the goods you are to sell. Okay? So in this question, the sales is 3,850. That is the sales. The cost of goods sold is what? How do we get the cost of goods sold? Normally, to get the cost of goods sold, it is opening stock plus purchases. If there is carriage inward, it will be added. If there is return outward, it will be deducted from purchases. Okay? Then we will now say minus closing stock. To get cost of goods sold, the formula is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. But in this question, we only have purchases. How much is that? 2,900. Okay? We don't have opening stock. We don't have carried inward. There is no return outward. Also, there is no return inward. If there is return inward, we will have deducted that from sales. If there is return inward, we will have deducted that from sales. Okay? So in this case now, it is going to be what? Only the purchases. But in this question, we also have closing stock. We'll subtract closing stock from this. And closing stock is how much? 300 naira. So this minus this will give you the cost of the value for cost of goods sold, which is 2,600. 2,600. Okay? Now, your sale is this. So this is your sales. In this question, no returning word as I have said. Now, this is your cost of goods sold. So the difference between this and this will give you what? Gross profit. The profit we are talking about is gross. Okay? Here is gross profit. Gross profit. So this minus this, what will it give you? Please try it. I want you to do that. Subtract it. What do you get? I want someone to tell me. Okay? What do you get? I got 1,250. 1,250. So your gross profit, as far as this question is concerned, is what? 1,250 naira. Okay? So this is one way of solving this, but generally in accounting, we don't solve it this way. If it is objective multiple questions, we can quickly solve it this way. Okay, so in accounting, we have two formats and we have vertical formats. But for this class, I'm going to use three formats. And for your class, for your assignment, I want you to use vertical formats. Okay, now to use the format, what is the name of this organization? The name is B Swift Trading Account. So B Swift is the name. So we want to prepare trading account. Okay, for the year ended. For the year ended, okay, 31st of December 2024. So write the currency sign first. This is Naira. Naira sign. Now in this question, your opening stock will start from here. But in this question, there is no opening stock. So it will be purchases. How much is the purchases? The purchases is just 2,900. Okay? Then your sales should come here. Okay? Your sales is how much? 3,850. In this case, we don't have opening stock. Okay, so we are only going to use purchases. There is no carried inward. We only have this few information. So we say less closing stock from this. We remove closing stock from this. Less closing stock. How much is that? Closing stock is how much? 300. Put it in brackets. This will give you 2,000 what? 600. Okay? Now, this is your cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. This is your cost of goods sold. So you now take this away from sales. Okay? You can see that cost of goods sold is lower than sales. Then it means it is what? Gross profit. It is gross profit. Okay? So what do we say the difference is? Do you still remember? I would have written it somewhere. I need to do it again because I can't remember now. I know it is 1,000 plus. Okay? So this is 5, this is 2, and this is 1. That is the difference between the two. Is that correct? So the gross profit is 1,250. So we add it together with this, it will give you what? 3,850. Okay? This one, bring it down. So this is 50. Okay? Do you understand? This is just a simple way of calculating gross profits, of preparing a trading account. So you have only few information here. So in the next video, we are going to solve a more complex question. Do you have any challenge, any question? If you have any question, I want you to drop it on the comments. And if you find this video useful, I want you to recommend it, I want you to share, I want you to subscribe if you have not done that. I also want you to turn on the notification button so that you'll be informed each time we drop a very important video. Okay? Please don't forget to like, to share, drop your comments. Do you have any question on your own that you want us to look at on trading accounts? Or is there any topic you want us to share, to treat together? Okay, so drop it on the comment. Okay? Please write this. Let me give you 1 minute to do that. Copy the question. Okay? Thank you.